Did you enjoy the race? Nice. I want you all to give yourself a round of applause. Give yourself all a round of applause. You know why? Because every single one of you are winners. And I'm not just saying that to make you feel good, even if you came number 10,000. You are all winners because you are here today. There's people who are supposed to come today, but they didn't come, but you guys came. And you ran. And you made this a very special day. Because it's not about coming first in life. It's about having an attitude of a winner. Tomorrow I'm going to come maybe number 2,000 and something in the comrades. But I'm going to win my race. Every year I win my race. I come first in my race. So you must run your race, stick in your lane, and run your race the best way you can. Angisiyazwana? Another important thing I want to tell you is, I used to be how do I say this? I'm a recovering drug addict right now. I'm a recovering drug addict, and what's the date? The date today, what's the date today? It's the 23rd of May, 2009. So, okay. I want to count to the day. I'll tell you how many days I'm clean today. So just wait for me. I wasn't good at maths at school. September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May. Okay. So I'm 6 years, 8 months, 23 days clean. What's the time? 1100 hours and 15 minutes clean from drugs, alcohol, and cigarettes. If I can do it, you can do it.
Bill Clinton's clean now.
If I can do it, you can do it. Let me tell you, you will not reach your full potential if you do drugs. Let me say that again. You will not reach your full potential. Angeke uyendawo. Ngikhulume ngesiZulu ke ningizwe kahle. Angeke uyendawo mawubhema idakamizwa. Uthini? Second date. You will not reach your full potential if you get involved in drug abuse. I've lost a lot of friends. Some people have died that I started out with in the music industry because of drugs. Drugs are very dangerous.
You know he's one of the top.
You can never hear that enough. Drugs are very dangerous, and people who tell you to do drugs in your school, buy Maxina, and then phone only 10,111. You must phone the police, tell your parents, do whatever you can to stop people from giving you drugs. Drugs nearly messed up my life, but because of the grace of God, I'm able to stand here in front of you and tell you that drugs are bad. And this is one. So apparently this year the numbers improved from last year. Who was here last year? Put your hand up. So there's a very few of you who were here last year. Angezwa? The whole of Karina. Okay. There's another school there. How do you bash it? The numbers have increased from last year. So I'm challenging all of you to be here next year. We must have at least 6,000 people running next year. So am I getting a commitment from every one of you? Good Nyabuya next year. Nyabuya, ne? Last thing, we don't only run on National Youth Day run. You have to carry on from tomorrow. It's a lifestyle. It's because I've adopted a healthy lifestyle. You eat properly, you exercise. A healthy life is a healthy mind. And it says what?